Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I have an amazing Range Rover Autobiography in Eiger Grey to show you. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid. You have privacy glass, 21-inch light silver diamond turned finish alloys, a powered tailgate, and going into the back of the vehicle, you have rear seat entertainment, which is ideal to keep the passengers entertained, and here I'll show you how to use it. You have many different functions: media, where you can listen to the radio, watch TV, you have many different channels to choose from, going from the news to CBeebies, anything really. You also have your climate, navigation if you're interested to see how far you are away from your destination, another luxury of heated and cooled seats, and you do also have some extra storage in there, and there you have your headsets for the rear seat entertainment. You also have a sun blind, and you can control the panoramic roof with these buttons here. And going into the front, you also have keyless entry, therefore I can unlock the car just by having the key near me, which is handy if you have your hands full. Illuminated autobiography tread plates, and a lovely ebony leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean than cloth. A sliding panoramic roof, which can be controlled using these buttons here, and is lovely on a really nice sunny day like today. You also have a fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep some refreshments cold. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. You also have valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valeter can only access your climate control. Ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool in the dark. Buttons on your wheel including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier, along with a heated steering wheel. And again you have heated and cooled front seats, making sure all passengers are happy. They are also massage with several different settings, and you can have a different intensity, which really makes this car luxury. Memory seats, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. As I said, this car is brand new and therefore it's got hardly any miles on it. And you also have various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving. Grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand, rock crawl, comfort or eco, and you can also see that on your screen in front of you. Stepping back out of the car, you also have soft door close. That was a stunning Range Rover Autobiography in Eiger Grey. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.